Hello everyone, today I want to teach you what is IMG element. IMG means picture photo that you can use it in internet. Yeah, this is photo, this one, this one, this one. This is image on the web page. Image is inline element, and you can use JPEG, GIF, and PNG for your web page. These three kind of extension that you can use it. And IMG has attributes, src, alt, and also you can give a style on the IMG wide and height. Okay, the element is IMG and it doesn't have closing tab. IMG. src means the URL of the image, means where you should go and bring your image. I'm going to use travel and this picture, and after that, okay, close this, save, and double click, on the file HTML. You will see the picture. What is alt? Attribute that defines and alternate name for the image. Means before loading the image, you will gonna see what is the picture is talking about. Alt Mexico, and after that you are going to define a wide and height. This is wide and this one is height. The length is means height. I'm going to use wide 100 pixel and height is 100 pixel, and save it. When I reload the web page, you will see the picture here. It's too small. Maybe change it to 100. Yeah, this time is better. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.